Welcome class, today's class. Today we'll be having a practical and we'll be dealing with the PowerPoint. Now first, one may ask, what is a PowerPoint? A PowerPoint is just a simple tool you can use to do your presentations, whether formally or informally. It depends with you and your task. Okay, these are the following things that learners have to know at the end of the lesson. A learner must be able to open a PowerPoint and be able to use the tools in the PowerPoint and also be able to save the PowerPoint and the others. So the first one is starting with a PowerPoint. Now the first thing what you have to do when you're dealing with a PowerPoint, you have to open the PowerPoint. So you just have to go to all programs and go to your search and type PowerPoint, then click OK, then you will have the screen, the welcome screen of a PowerPoint. And the next thing is to create a PowerPoint. Now you're gonna scroll down to your tabs and you're gonna click the tab for new PowerPoint. After you click that tab, that's where you're gonna have a few templates to choose from, whichever you like to use. And now designing a template is either you can design your own template or you can select from any given template that is given by Microsoft. And then now into creating titles. A title, we know it's the most important part of a document because it gives the reader full information, part of the information what the article or whatever it's going to be about. So the first important thing when you're doing a PowerPoint, you have to know that each and every page should have a title, whether it's a continuing title or it's a main title. And now the last few stages is how to save a presentation. Now step 1, you can go to File and Menu and then select Save. Step number 2, you can select a location. If you want to select a location where you want to save your PowerPoint, that's when you can use the Save As button. And the third step, it's simply a name to the next file, then name the box. Okay. And then editing text on a presentation. You first add a text box, then you can move a text box around, you can resize the text box, you can change the rotation, you can even change the alignment and add a format to your text box. Okay, right, editing. I did some video to show how you can manipulate your text box in terms of rotation, font and other things. Okay, we'll just pass on this one. And then there's formatting. Now formatting, we know it deals with font size and alignment. There's a tab here where you can do all that. So this is the font tab, and this one is to add a new slide, and that one is where you deal with your alignments. And then changing a presentation design of a theme. You can change a theme of a presentation inside a presentation. It means you can just change the layout and the design and then let your data into a new design as you wish. Then the last one is how to insert images, videos, smart art, charts and other objects. Now there's a tab for these things. You can go there and just simply click the inside tab, then you can have all your things there, then you can choose whether you want to add a video or whatever. Okay, thank you. This was the end of our practical lesson. I'll see you on the next lesson.